Hello, myself Jobin Johnson. You are registration number URK19CS1034. So today I'm going to explain you the third experiment of operating system lab. Okay, so let's move to our code. So our first question is to check whether the entered number is a palindrome or not. So I have initialized a number as you can see here, read n. Then I have given a variable a number n from the provided number. Then have taken another variable num equals to 0, and after that I have used while loop, and in that I have used the condition temp is not equal to 0. So after that I have used a variable t for taking out the last digit of a number. Okay, for example 121. So this d will take out 1 from the 121 number. Okay, so after that, I have taken a num. As you can see, I have declared a variable num. Then in that, the expression would be num into 10 by plus t. So here, for example, if I take an example 1 to 1, so d is 1 right now, and num is equals to previous num is 0. So right now num into 0 into 10 is 0. So num's value would be 1 right now, plus d is used as you can see here. And after that I have decreased the temp variable by 10. So right now one the value is 12. Okay, now 12 is not equal to 0, true. So d will take out 2 from 1 to number. Then num would be num equals to previous num value is 1. So 1 into 10, 10, 10 plus 2, so that is 12. And now temp variable is decreased by as you can see by 10. So now value is 1. So uh, 1 is not equal to 0, true. Then d's value is right now 1. Then num value is 1 to 1 as you can see in this condition. Now temp value is 0. So 0 is not equal to 0. This condition is false. Then this while loop will break. Then after that I will check the condition if num equal to the number I have provided is equal or not. So it's true because 1 to 1 is a palindrome as you can see the output. Okay. So our second question is to print the given n number in ascending order. Okay, so I have given a number, then I have declared an array as you can see here. Then after that I have entered the values, and I have entered and I have stored the values in the array as you can see here in this for loop. Okay, after that I have used another for loop as you can see here. For j equals to 0, j is less than n and j plus plus, and inside that I have used for loop for another condition k equals to 0, k is less than n minus j minus 1, then k plus plus. Then I have put the condition as you can see here. If array of k is greater than array of k plus 1, then the temporary variable I have given a temporary variable as you can see, and I have initialized it by array of k. Then array of k's values changed by array of k plus 1 as you can see here this condition. Then array of k plus value is also changed by temp as you can see. Like that it will be sorted in ascending order as you can see here. I have entered 59148. So values are in ascending order as you can see here 14589. Okay. So our third question is to print all the square numbers between 1 to 100. Okay. So I have used a for loop from ranging from 1 to 100, and it is incremented by 1. And inside after I have used another for loop j equals to 1, j is less than 100, j plus plus, and temp value is used for displaying the square of the number. For that I have used the expression j into j for finding the square of that element. If that element is equals to temp, then it will print that element as you can see here 1 4 9 16 25 36 49 64 81. This is the square of the numbers. The fourth question is to find the sum of multiples of 3 and 5 below 1000. So I've taken a variable sum equals to 0 as you can see here, and after that I've used for loop I equals to 1 ranging from 1 to 1000. it is incremented by 1. And in that I've used the if condition, I modulus 3 equals to 3 equals to 0, and I modulus 5 equals to 0. Then the sum value would be incremented by, as you can see, I plus sum. Okay, then just as you can see here, 33165 is the sum of that elements from 1 to 1000. Okay. Now fifth question is to find the greatest common divisor of two given numbers. Okay, for that I have taken two numbers a and b, then I have initialized x as a variable a. Then in that I have that after that I have used if condition. If b is less than x, then x equals to b. Okay, after that I have used while condition, that is x is not equal to 0. Then if that condition is true, then I have taken m variable, m is equals to expression a modulus x. Then L value is also, I have taken a variable L equals to P modulus X. Then if M is equal to 0 and L equals to, if both conditions are true, then the GCD of A and B is this, okay, this number. And I will break, and X is increased by -1, so by 1, as you can see. So our output would be 30, 15. So the GCD of 30 and 15 is 15. Okay. Now find the length of the given string. For that, I've just used next question is to find the length of the given string. So enter the string. I have is a printing statement. Then I've taken a string as you can see here, and after that I've used a, that is not, it means for finding the length of the string. The command would be a colon wc, then the length m minus 1. So it would be the, as you can see in the output, as you can see here, I there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it is printed the length of that string. Now our last question is to find the position of the given string. Okay, so this is a string. Okay, this statement. Now what I've used is I've taken a string, a position, and a length. Okay, 3. Okay, now for printing that, I've just used curly bracket, the string, then the position, then the length of that string. Okay, now if I just enter the string, this is a string, and the position 1 and the 3, then the output is printed his, as you can see here. I hope you understood. Thank you.